Hello, my name is Julia. My favorite board game is backgammon. For backgammon, you need a board, dice, and pieces. The dice is the most basic part of backgammon. Let me introduce backgammon first. First, roll the dice. Second, move the piece of a dice's number. Finally, arrive the finish line. The piece's owner is the winner. In backgammon, number 6 is lucky number because in the dice, number 6 is the biggest number. So if the number 6 appears, you can go to finish easily and you can get to win easily too. So I wish the number 6 will always appear. I think you can get to number 6 on game. I like backgammon forever. Thank you for listening.